Alright, these are Ginger's babies with Pumbaa. There's a group of them. Got a couple of blondies. One right there. Little boar. And there's a little pale red, looks like a sow. No, it's a boar. Right there. That little tiny one there with the wattles is the only one out of Charlotte this time. She had an accident when she gave birth, so little red spotted baby right there, so pretty. This is a fantastic looking boar. He's already got butt cheeks hanging down. Gorgeous guy. The little runt. Look, you'll see some Mulefoots all in here. Yeah, and that is their 6-month-old cousin. Yes, she has Charlotte's baby from the last litter with a different boar. Nice size pasture girl. Yes, and there's Charlotte. Big black girl back there. Charlotte's the same cross as Ginger, only she kept the wattles from the red wattle, and she's got mule feet on the front. Hey, Charlotte. Hey, Mama. Hey, Charlotte. Pretty girl. That's a big old pig right there. Naturally raised babies, foraging around, learning from the adults.